I didn't think too much. You what? Yeah, I normally don't. I don't think too much.
I'm doing something worthless right now. I'm getting the edges off.
I know.
I'm trying to remember better or something like that because you're old and you have to get used to it.
Yeah, whatever. We need to get somebody to come over here and clean all this crap up so we don't have to.
Let's get Trey to do it.
Huh? Yeah, get Trey to do it. That'd be a good plan.
Do it for money.
That'd be well, yeah, he'd do about anything for money.
He won't do anything else though. Unless we live living here, then yeah, he'll do it.
Yeah. Well, this shop has had several different projects come through it, and some of them got finished and some of them didn't. So the remains, yeah, the remains are left behind, and I just need to come in here and get to cleaning. I'm just not a domestic type. I have trouble motivating myself to clean, but it's getting to the point where it's going to have to be done.
You have problems getting yourself motivated on this?
No,
I take that back. It's my dad.
Yeah, I was going to say, yeah. Well, anyway. Oh, your dad gets motivated for doing things that he wants to do. Sometimes.
No, he gets motivated to do it, and then he asks me to do it. I like the house.
I think that's how it is.
Oh, we want John to have such a nice room for his last year in high school. I did it all by myself.
Yeah. Well, it was nice. You had a nice room, though, didn't you?
That'd be nice.
Yeah.
Put the tree there. I'm taking my team.
I see.
I'll give him one line. I really like that. You don't understand.
Yeah, well, hey. You know, everybody's got something. No, I don't. No.
Yeah.
That's starting to get pretty nice down there. Got a little bit left to go. This grill had a big old dent right there on the edge. See if I can point it right there. Had a big old golf ball dent. I don't know what the crap it was.
Baseball dent. What are you talking about?
Well, I mean, it was a pretty big dent, but it was perfectly round and it was just a mess. We worked on it. I just filled it with a real lightweight filler and went with it last time, but I want to do a little better job this time through. And John's best friend Trey kind of hammered on it and got it straightened out pretty close, and it started to rip the metal, so I guess he probably quit because of that. Without him here, it's hard to get the lowdown on what he did do, but since we're painting the grill anyway, it doesn't have to be quite as perfect as if we were going to try to, chrome plate it or something like that. And I really don't know how they fill with. They've got some sort of filler that they can use with chrome plating, but I don't know what it is. Have you ever heard of that?
No, I figured they probably they use all metal.
Is there an all metal filler?
Actual metal that you can weld on, kind of like JB weld and stuff like that.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what it is, and it works awesome. It's harder to craft the sand, harder than this sand even. After it actually cures and hardens, it's about like metal to sand.
Really?
So
is it pretty heavy then?
it's pretty heavy.
Okay. Well.
Like a piece of metal.
Yeah.
It's got lead and zinc in it that makes it. Those are like they call those sacrificial metals. to make it.
I got you.
Adheres to the actual metal and
Yeah.
where it'll bond.
Okay, I see. But anyway, we're not doing that. We're just painting it. I've got a real. I mean, it was silver to start with. Well, silver when I did it anyway. From the factory, it was kind of a gross off-white. You know, like, yeah, pretty much. He's pretty close on that. It was pretty cruddy looking. But this truck was the bottom of the line from Ford when it came out. It was the economy version, and John's doing a real good job getting that. He's about got the contour right and everything there. And I'm sitting with my feet kicked up because I tore up my sandblaster, so I might as well kind of relax. This is kind of what he's here for. I've done enough of this. But the grill, it's coming along. He's going to have her, and Lord willing, we'll have some paint on that thing tonight.